Go to midnight and tomorrow. What do you want?
I want some clothes and some shoes.
Cold is too hot.
No, I said clothes.
What?
Like clothes. Where?
Clothes.
Clothes and shoes, like sneakers.
Okay. Where you want us to buy? In your shop, Mason.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you around Manhattan.
Hmm?
I'm gonna show you around Manhattan.
Are you sure you know Manhattan more than me? Hmm?
I'm gonna say I know
You
a
see,
lot.
you are a big Solomon, you see? Say, hey, babe, say, who suit? Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
Tell me, who suit? When Tano suit, when I'm a boy.
Taram suntu.
No. You don't mean, hey, babe, what do you suit?
Hey, babe, suntu.
No. Yeah, when so show me now. Hey, babe, when okay. I'll say hey, babe, and then you say who suit, okay?
Okay.
You respond, who suit?
Okay.
Hey, babe. Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Suntu.